Success is not a destination but a journey. The road that leads there isn't an easy one. More often than not, it is full of bumps and hurdles. On your way to success, it is inevitable that you will fall many times, and it is only natural that once in a while you will even think about giving up. What is important is not to prevent the fall, but to get up every time you fall. Scrap the dirt off your knees and once again start running towards your goal. Only this time stronger and more determined than ever. A crystal clear vision of your goals. Always have a crystal clear visual picture of exactly what you want. Like an eagle, keep your eyes fixed on your goal. See nothing, perceive nothing but your goal. There will be those around you who will tell you you can't make it, it's too hard, it's impossible. Hear nothing but the voice within that tells you, go get it, it's already yours. A practical plan for success. The age-old adage goes, if wishes were horses, then beggars would ride. The truth is, winners don't just wish for things to happen, they seek what they want. They don't just desire, they pursue. Now that you know what you want, you must evaluate your lifestyle and daily schedule to create a practical plan that takes you closer to your goal every day. Passion and determination. Passion sets the soul on fire and skyrockets your effort to the heavens of success. When your soul is burning with passion, no hurdle, no obstacle, no temporary setback can prevent you from achieving what you want. It's okay to fail a few times. It's okay to fail many times, but never give up on what you want. Let your passion be so intense that you think about nothing but your goal. Allow every action you do, every word you speak to be in the direction of your goal. Insist, resist, and persist. No matter what anyone says, insist to yourself that what you want is already yours. Constantly daydream and visualize yourself basking in the glory of success. Resist the temptation to give up on your dreams when challenges hit hard in the face. Allow your inner eyes to see nothing but the sunshine of success even when you are surrounded by the clouds of disappointment in your outer reality. Just remember that a winner is not someone who hasn't failed, but someone who has persisted longer than anyone else. No matter how many times life pulls you down, don't allow your spirit to plummet or your faith to shake. Remember that failure can be a permanent condition only if you choose to accept it to be so. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, believe in your efforts to achieve your dreams. Rome was not built in a day. Your dreams might not materialize in a day or two, but with every single step you are getting closer and closer to it. Keep walking and you will definitely get there. The going might get tough, but once you have arrived, you will know it was all worthwhile. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll be glad to hear from you. If you like the video, do hit the like button, share it with your loved ones, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.